Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, November 20th. Well, the sun has become a little bit more active over the last couple of weeks with more sunspots than was visible in the time period before that. And there's a couple areas of interest. This is a 24-hour loop from NASA's Solar Observatory, and it shows a couple things of interest here. First of all, this area, which is officially known as AR 1619, seems to be expanding. That little blob right there of sunspots, dark sunspots, actually is kind of in an expansion mode here over this 24-hour loop. And sometimes that indicates the more and more likelihood of an active sunspot region that could have an eruption. So we'll continue to monitor that. Meanwhile, here is another new area here called AR 1618, and it is kind of following on the doorsteps of this particular area, which again is going through kind of an expansion mode. So this area will also have to be monitored over the next 24 hours or so. Both of these areas are now in a position to face the Earth directly, so any kind of an eruption could possibly have an effect on the Earth's upper atmosphere. In fact, let's take a look at the very latest still solar image for these two sunspot regions. And here's the latest, very latest solar image. And here are those two regions right here. This is the first sunspot region known as 1619, and here's that second area known as 1618. Both are now pretty much directly facing the Earth, so any kind of eruption over the next 12 or 24 hours could have an effect on the Earth's upper atmosphere. This is the area right here that we saw that 24-hour loop that showed kind of an expansion, which sometimes indicates activity and the potential for an eruption. So we'll continue to monitor these two areas of sunspots over the next 1 to 2 days here at the SIweather.com. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian.